So some of the photos may be more important in Google Photos than others, and if you want to mark them out as important, then you can go ahead and then mark them out as favorites. For example, you can see some star over here in some pictures. Those pictures are marked out as favorites. So in order to mark more picture as favorite, you can simply go ahead and click on the picture and then click on the star button, and then that has been marked as favorite as well. You can also go ahead right here and let's say, for example, go ahead and then let's say, for example, select out more pictures right here, just like this. Go around onto the three dot button right here and then mark it out as favorite as well. Once you do that, what happens is that if I were to actually go ahead right here, then what happens is that those has been marked out as favorites right here. So now over here from the left hand side, if I were to click on favorites, then what happens is that you can see that these has been marked out as favorites right here. And then you can access all of these photos right here marked out as favorites in the favorites section. And that is how you can go ahead and mark favorites and access the favorites album easily inside of Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.